Hey, what's going on, guys? It is your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sarah Nicole, and we are back with another video. And today's video is going to be a little bit different than what you're used to. So I came across a viral video the other day on Twitter, and in this video, it was a man who was showing off the gift that his company gave him as a reward for working 27 years for the same company and never missing a day at work. And this video, guys, is just, let me just show you the video. Okay, guys, I'm going to play the video that I'm talking about. I actually posted it on my page just about a day or two ago. Let's play this.
Movie ticket. Thank you very much. And I also got a bag of Reese's. This is very nice. From Starbucks. Thank you guys. And like a lanyard, two pins, and a couple of keys, and two lifesavers. So it's good to show what their appreciation for loyalty and for all you've done for the company. This is my reward for working for 27 years. Thank you guys.
That was his reward for working 27 years for a company. And I had the pleasure of being able to interview him and his daughter. We chatted and we did an awesome giveaway for him. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to play that video for you guys. So stay tuned. Well, first off, I just want to say thank you, Serena, for even replying to me, because I know that you guys are probably being blown up right now. And honestly, I shared your video, Kevin, on my page, and I got just a ton of people reaching out, wanting to be able to give because they're very touched by just your gratitude and your attitude, with, working for the same company for 27 years. That's not something that you see every day. And so I'm honestly really curious, like, what has made you stay there with that company for 27 years, and what are some things that have helped you like get through work doing that, because I know how difficult it is, especially in these times where a lot of people don't want to work, and people are having a hard time finding dedicated people like you. And so just give us a little bit of background.
Well, I was young once, and when I was just starting out, me and my first wife, I was married. I did music, I do music and write and produce and stuff like that. But when she got pregnant with my first daughter, Serena's older sister, Sierra, I started working and I just have never stopped. And once I went from job to job, but once I found that good job, which is a union job, and they had health care and I could cover my kids, I just went to work there and I never stopped. It's a theme thing. So you could be working at Burger King one day and Starbucks the next day, or for years or whatever. So it's a culinary job with benefits. So that's what got me there and that's what kept me there. So, but Serena and her sisters, that's the answer as to why I've never missed a day of work in 27 years, and why through thick and thin, death, there's been a lot of death in everybody's life recently, but through everything, Serena's the answer. I love her. And now I have, Charlie, Clara, Jovan, I got grandkids, so they keep me there too. So, and these bills, I got bills. I got so many bills and starting over. I don't know if she told you, but I'm starting completely over. So I have to live like everybody else. I'm nobody special. I'm just somebody who works, and I'm just grateful to wake up every day, and I just try to be productive, be a productive citizen, and just be a good American. So that's all I'm trying to do.
I love that. Did you expect to get so much attention from posting that video?
I'm trying not to cry now. And ever since Serena did what she did, and coworkers, all my coworkers go. I'm not the only one. There's a person up there that's worked 30 years. They got nothing. The person who filmed it worked 20 years. He got nothing. They're supposed to get like gift cards, a couple thousand and stuff like that. They got nothing. They cut all that stuff out after COVID. But everybody's doing 2, 3, and 4 people's job up there. They can't keep any workers, so
Wow.
it's tough on everybody.
Wow. Well, that's amazing, especially with, COVID and everything, and for you to be able to stay strong. And like I said, I think one big part of why that video has touched so many people, including myself, is just the amount of gratitude that you have, and just being such a humbled person. And I know that I was talking a little bit to Serena, and she was telling me how you have grandkids out here in Texas. I'm in Texas also, so you have grandkids, and we know that you want to visit them. You said that you have never missed not one day of work, which is just mind blowing to me.
It's
and so I don't
mind-blowing
want to
to
hold
me.
you guys. What was that?
It's mind blowing to me.
Yeah.
I don't recommend it, But hi, Clara, Charlie, Jovan. Yeah, I don't recommend that. But yeah, it's true. I never missed a day of work, and it's just a work ethic. I just want to say thanks to everybody out there. It's just so overwhelming. I'm just Kevin, and I just love everybody. I think that it probably touched people because we, as humans, period, just need love and gratitude. And when you see somebody like that, I was happy to get anything. Some people got nothing, so I was just happy to get anything.
Absolutely. I love that. And so I actually, like I said, posted you on my Facebook page. I obviously don't know who I am, but I have a kind of a large following, and they were very touched by your story. And so they all wanted to do something for you. And so because of your gratitude and because of you just being who you are, my audience came together, and I'll show you, they sent $2,000 for you. It's kind of blurry. They sent $2,000. And so I'm going to add an additional 700 to make that $2,700 for you for working for 27 years, and having so much gratitude. And I want you to be able to take some time off, go see your grandkids, go see your daughters. You deserve it. So I'm going to go ahead and, as soon as we hop off, I'll get your guys', information, however you want me to send the funds. We're going to send you that $2,700 today.
Oh, thank you. I just can't believe any of this. Thank you, everybody.
They really wanted to bless you. Your gratitude, your attitude has blessed a lot of people who saw your video, and you deserve it. You deserve it 100%. Y'all gonna make me emotional here.
I don't believe any of this. I just can't. I just cannot believe this. I really can't. I just can't believe this. Thank you.
You're so welcome. You're so welcome. And again, I really thank you, Serena, for even responding to me. I had to do a lot of digging to try to find your information. And I know you guys are being blown up right now with your video going viral everywhere. So just to get the opportunity to even talk to you, and really seeing the type of person that you really are, it just warms my heart. It warms my heart.
Thank you, Sierra.
I just cannot believe this.
Everything.
Of course.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow.
You're so welcome.
Wow.
So I hope that you can take a few days off, take a couple of mental health breaks, spend some time with your family. I know travel has been crazy. Ticket prices are crazy. But my entire community came together to make this happen for you. It's not just me. I try to use my influence for good and positive, and they wanted to, have a hand in this. And so I just have to say thank you to everybody who contributed, because they were a huge role in this.
Thank you, everyone. I cannot believe the love and the support and the sympathy and empathy I'm getting from so many people all around the world. And I just can't thank you, everybody. I just can't believe this. I really can't. I just can't believe this. Wow.
I love it. I love it.
Thank
And
you.
my community is watching now, and they're all saying, bless you, thank you so much. And
God is
um,
good.
yeah,
God is good. My God. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Thank you.
they're
I just
they're
cannot
asking.
believe it.
I know that you created a separate link, right, Serena, with a GoFundMe where people, if they want to contribute more, maybe you can send that to me and I'll post it. So for those who still want to contribute, we can, have them just refer. I'll just refer them over to you guys now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Thank you.
Yeah.
much.
I can't believe it.
Honestly, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank
Really
you.
Oh, I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate you guys for taking out the time. I know that you're on your break right now, and so I'm not gonna, keep you on here for too long. Serena, I'll get with you to see however you guys want me to send over the funds, and I'll do that as right when we hop off. But again, thank you. We appreciate you, Kevin. You're appreciated. You're loved. You showing, you're
Very
a
much.
great example for younger generations and showing them what the benefits are of working hard and being dedicated to something. And so we wanted to be able to help you reap the rewards of that.
Well,
So
you
thank
have.
you.
You really have. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. I
Oh,
love y'all. Thank you.
thank you. Everyone's saying that they're so proud of you. In the comments, they're saying they're so proud of you. So
I'm proud of them. I can't believe this. I really can't. I just can't believe it. Oh, wow.
yeah, we'll believe it. And once you guys, get your guys' trip and your visit, I definitely want to see some
Oh, I
updates
will.
and some
I
photos
will.
and
I will.
see you guys enjoying yourselves. And also another thing before we hop off, so a little bit about me, Kevin, obviously you don't know who I am. I'm a business coach. And so I help entrepreneurs, creators, influencers, learning how to grow their business, build their credit and things like that. And so I have a library of courses, probably over like 50 hours worth of educational content to help people with just leveling up. And I don't know if you're even interested in business ownership or self-employment. I know that on your Instagram it says something about you being an artist, being into music. And so I
Yeah.
want to give you and all of your daughters access to all of my classes, my courses, my
Right.
teachings, just in
Thank
case you
you.
guys are interested in that, of course. So
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
I'll go ahead and email or send Serena a message and get your guys' emails, and you'll get access to all of my classes. Like I said, there's over 50 hours worth of educational content for you guys. So I'll also
Thank
include that
you.
in there.
Wow. Once my head stops spinning, yes, I will. Thank you so much. Personally, thank you. You are a blessing to the world and especially our community. I love you and God bless you. Wow. I just cannot believe this. I just cannot believe this.
Oh, I appreciate you. I know it's probably a lot to take in with the
Yeah, I'm
viral
supposed to be
videos.
asleep. I gotta go to work if I still have a job.
Yes, well, you're famous now. You're famous now. So
Wow.
I
Can't
love it.
believe it. I love you. I love y'all. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you guys for showing up and for being here. Serena, I'll send you a message as soon as we get off. I'm not going to hold you guys and, I'll get everything squared away. And for my community, thank you guys for contributing. I'll make sure
Thank
that I
you.
send everyone the receipt to make sure they know that I did send the funds to you guys. And, stay in touch. If you ever need anything,
Yeah.
please reach out. Please let me know. I'm here to be a resource to both of you.
Thank you to everybody. Thank you. I love y'all. Thank you so
All
much.
right. Bye, guys. Thank
Bye.
you.
Holy crap, Serena.
Now, I hope that you were as touched by his story as I was. I think there's a lot to be learned here. I've never met anyone who has worked 27 years in the same position, the same job, and the only thing they received was a goodie bag. But more importantly, the point and the message of that was the fact that he was so grateful and just having so much gratitude. And I'm just so thankful for my community. So if you are one of the people from my audience who did donate and contributed to the fund, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I couldn't have done this and pulled this off without you. I had to do a little bit of digging to find the family. There's a ton of scammers out there, but I'm glad that I was able to actually speak with him and his daughter. And I'm really just touched by the story. As you guys saw in the interview, you know, he hasn't been able to see his grandkids. He's in the process of kind of restarting his life, and I'm just glad we were able to help him get that jump start. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Share this with a friend. I'm sure someone can use this as inspiration or motivation or just to brighten someone's day. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My channel is all about giving value with empowering, educating, and helping you succeed as an entrepreneur, content creator, influencer, okay? So thank you so much again for tuning in. I am your favorite stay-at-home millionaire, Sarah Nicole, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video.